Take it like you handling your problems on a daily. Yeah, my shorty say me, got engravings after dating. Like her name was tatted on my soul. She my normal girl on Love Galore who never lost control. Plus a supermodel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing this back to school makeup tutorial. It's very super easy and quick to do, and it's perfect for those days where you want to look put together. So I hope you guys are excited, and let's go back to school. Okay guys, so I already prep and primed my face, and I got a little sample of a lip mask. This is by the brand Langier. I think I'm saying it correctly. So far I have been using it and I love it, guys. It makes my lips smooth and soft and glowy. So today we'll be using a powder foundation by Makeup Forever, and I freaking love this, guys. If you guys haven't checked out my last video, I did like a review on this powder foundation right here, and it is amazing. I love using this because it's very simple. You have like a sponge. You guys know usually when powder foundation come with a sponge, it doesn't really work that well, but this one is magic, guys. I do not know how they make this sponge, but the sponge is the bomb. Do you guys see how quickly that was? I just used the sponge, swipe it on my face, and it basically covered all my problems area, my blemishes. So usually I don't really conceal under my eyes because I feel like this foundation actually cover my dark circles, so I don't really need to do like that extra step. Usually when I use powder foundation, I never powder my face because I feel like it's too much. Like this is already like a powder foundation formula, and if I put like another layer of like powder to set it, it's gonna be too cakey. What I usually like to do next, guys, is use the NYX Micro Brown pencil right here, and this is in the color chocolate. So usually for my eyebrow, guys, I don't really do that much. I just lightly stroke the pencil to areas that I am missing here. So now I'm going in with e.l.f. Wow Brow, and I believe this is in the color, I don't know, it doesn't say, to be honest, but it's like a dark brown color. And I'm just going in to make sure I didn't miss any spots. So I honestly love that e.l.f. Wow Brow product, guys, because it's very easy, simple, and it's only like $4 in the drugstore. And sometimes when I don't feel like filling in my eyebrows, I just usually put on that brow gel and then I'm good. Moving on to my eyes, guys, I'm using Maybelline Color Tattoo eyeshadow, and this is in the color Front Runner. It's like a beautiful champagne gold color. By the way, don't mind my missing nail polish, guys. It chipped off this morning and I was like, wow, I just got my nails done. And what I usually like to do, guys, is take like a white pencil and fill the bottom of my lash line, because it opened up and brightened my eyes a bit more. Now I'm just curling my lashes and put it on mascara. So as you guys can see, I look more awake now because my eyes look brighter and open. Now I'm just bringing colors into my face, guys, and I love using NARS Laguna right here. So I'm using Morphe G40 brush, guys, and I really love this brush, guys, because this is like a multitask brush. Like I use this for bronzing up my face, I use this for blush, you could use this for foundation, concealer, whatever, guys. I tried to look for more of this on their website, but I don't know if they changed the name of it or they don't sell it anymore, but I really recommend you guys go get this brush for beginners. So I'm just dipping it into NARS Laguna. You guys see how pretty the color look, guys? Love it. And of course I will also be bronzing up my thick forehead. And then I will be going in with this Orgasm blush by NARS as well. This color is really freaking gorgeous, guys. I freaking love it. Do you guys see how gorgeous that color looks? And it has like little glow sparks into it as well. I freaking love it, guys. Look at it. Oh, I'm just freaking in love with it. I 100% recommend this palette, guys. These two combo right here is absolutely gorgeous together on any skin type, I feel like. So I'm just taking my beauty blender and blending everything in together. Now for my lips, I'm just using Cream Cup by MAC Cosmetic, and this color is just so gorgeous, guys. Look at it. So I feel like the lipstick and the blush goes together. Like, look at how beautiful these combos are. Oh, I'm in freaking love. So there you guys have it. This is my back to school look. And if you guys want to see more of like a full glam on back to school look, because you know, sometimes us girls have those days where we just want to go all out, just let me know in the comments below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Okay, I'm thirsty.
You know that you my aura in existence, cause you hold a crown. You hold a crown, yeah. You know that you my aura in existence, cause you hold it down. You hold it down, yeah. You know that you my aura in existence, like you lost and found, yeah.